December 7th, 2025. Just gonna go for a real short ride. Bought the DJI Neo 2 drone and I want to test it out as far as tracking my Honda Goldwing. So I'll drive up to the park here and then from there take it out of the trunk and see if it'll follow this bike on a short little ride. Currently it's about 52 degrees, but the wind makes it feel colder than that. That's one of my concerns, is how will the little drone be able to track me with the wind? But it's maybe only about 5-mile-an-hour winds right now. Okay. That's where I'm going to park, right in there. Pull out the drone. We'll see what happens. Here's the DJI Neo 2, and I have the lens cover on. Got to take that off. Now I'm going to turn on the drone. I think I better take off my gloves. It's easier to handle these little buttons here. Alright, now I'll start up the phone app to see if it'll connect to it. Neo 2. Use my mobile device to connect. Okay, it connected. Well, I hope I don't ruin my drone, but here we go. About 10 miles an hour. Don't want to take it much further than faster than that right now. Let's see if I can tell it to go on the side of me. Whoops. Wonder if it'll go in front of me. Now I'll tell it to get behind me. Uh-oh. Just lost it. Well, luckily there's no damage to the drone. She still looks perfect. I have to get better at the tracking stuff with this, but I'm going to shut her off and put her away. I should have just left it in follow mode, not trying it to do all kinds of fancy moves. In that case, it probably wouldn't have crashed into that tree right there, the branch. And it'd be hard for its obstacle avoidance system to see that branch because it doesn't have any leaves on it this time of year. Let me go down to the park and test it out just to make sure after that crash everything is working all right. Do a video with it. Well, hopefully he sees me. And walking around the lake, I had no issues whatsoever with the Neo 2. It tracked me just fine, did everything I told it to do, either with the phone or my controller. That worked, and even just voice and hand commands, those all worked just fine. I'll just Now I'm going to try a hand command, see if it sees it. I guess when it's already in the circle mode, it won't obey the hand commands till it stops. Further I spread my hands, further away it gets. Let's see if I can lift my hand and it'll climb. I hope the camera didn't get scratched. I'll find out when I get it home and look at it carefully. Let's bring it in closer to me. Now put out my hand, hopefully it'll come land. Alrighty. Alright, let's get home and see how this thing is looking on video.